Hi guys, I'm here for another scent haul, but this is Paris Corner Fig Hug and Fig. Kind of a weird type of scent, right? But we're gonna see. She liked it. It says top notes. Wow, it's on there. Fig, lemon, pink peppercorn. Middle note, whipped cream, jasmine, and rose. Base note, fig milk, white musk, and cedarwood. So Paris Corner, they're amazing. Please put me on your PR list. I did mail you my stats. Very professional. Ooh, she's heavy. So the first thing I'm gonna do with the Middle Eastern ones, I'm gonna spray her out 10 times. And then, well, I'm gonna spray her on, I'll spray it in the lid for now. Wow, that's different. I don't know what I think about that. Yeah, that pink peppercorn, that's spicy. I almost think it's an earthier. It is good. I smell the lemon. I smell all the notes, but it's weird because fig is like a very earthy tone to it, and this is like, what's her name from Fern Gully? What's her name? Larissa or Clarissa? I don't know. But anyway, this is how I would think she would smell. It's like a woodland fairy. It's not my favorite, but I wanted to get it because I want to try new things, and on my skin it could smell totally different. You can't just have one scent DNA and keep buying it. You got to kind of step out of your comfort zone sometimes. My mouth steps out without its comfort zone so many times I get in trouble. It's okay. Am I going to reach for this one a lot? Probably not, but I'm glad I have it. But this one is super like woody though, and musk. Very musky. The whipped cream, where's the whipped cream? I'm like looking for that one fluffy note and I'm not finding it because there's just so much going on. But this is beast mode. If you spray this on you, people are going to smell you from really far away. But I will wear it on my skin. I'll try it out and this is one of her spring ones too. I don't know. But I'm glad I got it because I need I need some options. Right now it's all like rose and marshmallow, more marshmallow, cotton candy, marshmallow, ice cream, cookies, more whipped cream, candy. Well, what do you want from me? I don't know. It's very, very grown adult. So if think about going from like strawberry shortcake, that kind of thing, to fig. Fig is earthy tone. Like woodland fairy, very different. Like on what do you call it? Willy Wonka fairy. That's me. Like, give me all the fucking sugar and candy, and I want to smell like it too. But that is a good one. I don't even know if you could layer that with. Well, it has whipped cream in it, so maybe you could put the whipped cream one with it. I don't know. Let me see. What was I gonna do again? I was gonna do something. I don't know. But it's good. I'm not saying it's a bad smell. It's just not my normal, what I would normally spray on myself. No, it's completely different scent profile than what I'm used to. But I'm gonna try it because I want to try new things. It's good to get out of the same old. But I need to keep smelling like a marshmallow too. I don't know what else to tell you. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. Yes, it's a good one. And yes, I enjoy it. Maybe not on me. I'll see how it smells on me. I'll test it out for a few days. Not layer. I almost would not want to layer this with anything. Maybe a vanilla, like the air suede vanilla from Victoria's Secrets might go really, really well with that. And it'll bring out more of the vanilla. So yeah, I can try it. But she's pretty. I mean, it definitely smells like all those notes. Spicy. It's got a real spicy, well, I'm spicy, so it might work just fine for me in the long run. But anyway, thank you for being here. Please thumbs up this video, hype this video, share it, do whatever you want. Share it with everyone. Play it for your animals when you leave for work because your animals need someone to talk to or think that's listening to them or whatever. It's supposed to help them, I think. I don't know. But my cat hates people, so she doesn't want to listen to me living with me. Either do my kids. But what was that? Yeah. Anyway, Definitely check my lives at the end of the day. That's the quickest way you're going to see these hauls and go off on a tangent every 5 minutes. That's what I do on this channel. I can't help it. That's just me. Like it or leave it. I don't know what else to tell you. But thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your time with me. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.